战佛门，我更求台门。
Last April 18 to April 21, our family decided to go to Taiwan. So, isa sa mga bonding naming family ang pag-travel talaga. And that time also, medyo sad ako. And travel has always been one of my escape. Biglaan lang yung pag-book ng flight na to. 1 month lang namin siya na-plan and na-prepare. So, hindi talaga siya naging budget-friendly na travel. But all in all, nag-enjoy naman. Hi daw from my mom. Along the way, I might drop some hints on how much we spent during the trip. We flew with a budget airline, but since biglaan nga, medyo mahal pa rin siya. Nasa around 11K per person. Two-way naman yan. Pero may additional nga lang for the check-in luggage. The travel was almost 2 hours and smooth naman siya. Wala kaming na-experience na any turbulence. Finally, touchdown, Taiwan. We're now on our way to pick up our check-in luggage. First order of business, mag-withdraw muna ng cash. We learned na mas maganda yung palitan kung mag-withdraw ka na lang sa country na pupuntahan mo. Next, we secured our EC card. So, yun yung ginagamit pag gusto mo mag-bus or mag-MRT. We bought it on Klook. Pick up na lang namin sa booth dito. After settling everything sa airport, pumunta na kami sa hotel. So we booked our hotel sa Klook. It's called the VIP Hotel. And we booked it for 11K for 4 person, 3 nights na. And then dahil gutom na, pumunta na kami sa pinakamalapit na night market. 5 minutes away lang siya sa hotel. Sayang wala akong video. It was almost midnight already, kaya pasara na sila. So wala rin kami masyadong nakain. Good morning! It's our first day in Taiwan. And bago gumala, picture muna. It will be our first time to commute via bus and the MRT. Pero alam nyo, pansin ko lang, pag may kasama kayong mga seniors, mas comfortable sila pag sa bus. Kasi sa MRT, ang dami pang hagdan na kailangan babaan sa kataasan. Pag sa bus, maghihintay ka lang. Picture again while waiting. Ang hilig nilang mag-picture, no? Ay, kami pala. Now, we're on our way to Mao Kong Gondola. At ayan, naligaw pa nga. Bumaba kasi kami agad ng bus. Kala namin naliligaw na kami. Ayun, nag-Uber na lang kami from there. Enjoy na lang natin yung scenery pag naligaw. And finally, nakasakay na rin ng gondola. Our first stop will be Mao Kong Station. Siya yung pinakadulong station. Grabe, nakakatawa yan kasi takot na takot ako. As in, hindi ako makagalaw. Kaya yung kuya ko na lang yung video. Yung kapatid ko inaasar pa ako. Ang gulo-gulo. Tingnan nyo naman kasi kung gaano kataas. Sa sobrang haba niyan. As in, hindi pa lang kami nakaka-halfway niyan. Grabe, sobrang relieved ako niyan nung nakababa na kami. Kaya nasa Mao Kong Station na kami. Yung pinakadulong station. And dito, madaming tea houses. Kaso hindi nga lang kami masyadong naka-explore kasi syempre mga senior yung kasama, tapos may uphill, downhill pa. So, nag-explore na lang kami sa malapit. We went here to this tea shop. Nagbebenta sila ng iba't ibang klaseng tea. Pero hindi kami bumili dyan. And yung pinunta talaga namin dyan is yung ice cream nila. So, yung kinuha ko is a mix of vanilla and oolong. Ang sarap niyan. Try nyo. Now, back again sa gondola. Now, going to our second station, ang Shinan Temple. Di ko alam kung na-pronounce ko ng tama. Pagbaba nyo ng Shinan Temple Station, ito yung makikita nyo. Para kayong maglalakad sa isang magical garden. May makikita kayong mga nakasabit na gold notes sa mga puno. And para siyang checklist, tapos i-check mo dyan kung ano yung wish mo. You can get that by paying 100 NTD kung tama yung pagkakaalala ko. So, ganyan yung sample niya. Ayan na yung Shinan Temple. Ang ganda ng overlooking view niyan kasi nasa may parang taas siya ng bundok. That day, may free tea and water silang binibigay. I don't know lang kung everyday yun available. That day, ang daming tao niyan. So, nag-aalay sila ng prayers. Yung iba, gumagawa niyang gold notes and then sinasabit nila sa puno. Ayan yung view, oh. Sobrang ganda niya. And sobrang hangin kahit na ang init-init ng araw. After a quick stroll, bumalik na rin kami. Lumabas na kami ng temple and then balik na sa gondola. One last ride, one last kaba. Then we're off to our next adventure. We're going to Taipei 101. And there, the iconic Taipei 101. We are supposed to go to Simple Cafe. Nasa 88th floor siya ng Taipei 101 to get a better view. Kaso late na kami dumating, tapos pasara na sila. So yan, hindi na kami nakataas. We decided to stroll around the mall and have dinner na lang sa food court. Day 1 is officially done and day 2 is officially on. So this day, maaga kaming umalis kasi magjo-join kami ng isang tour na binook lang din namin sa Klook. Ever since nag-travel kami as a family, lagi lang talaga kami nagdi-DIY and sa Klook lang talaga kami nagbubook ng activities. We got the trip for 1,367 per person. Included na dyan yung transportation to and from at saka yung tour guide. Warning lang sa may mga kasamang senior, I don't think na advisable na i-book nyo to kasi napagod talaga sila mama and tita. So our first stop for today is Shifen Waterfalls. So bago makaakyat dyan sa bridge na yan, ang taas, diba? Kaya kawawa talaga pag may mga mobility issues. Take that in mind na lang in booking this trip. Pero ayan, pagdating nyo, ang daming mabibili, ang daming fresh fruits. Saka may mga kakaibang prutas dyan na ngayon ko lang natikman, tulad ng star fruit na balimbing daw tawag sa atin. And yan, may mga skewers. And alam ko may beef jerky pa dyan na binibenta na fresh. Now, we're here sa Shifen Waterfalls. Sabi ng tour guide namin, this is what they call the Niagara of time. Sarap pakinggan ng tubig. Very calm lang. And then, after that, balik na ulit sa suspension bridge, pabalik. And then, we're going to our bus. Papunta na sa susunod na destination. May mini garden nga pala dyan, going outside. Next destination is the Shifen Old Street. So, dito yung nagpapalipad ng mga lanterns. So, papunta doon, makakakita kayo ng mga souvenirs, keychain, may mga handmade. Ito, isa to sa favorite snack namin. Sobrang sarap niyan. So, crushed peanuts yan. Tapos, lalagyan ng 2 scoop ng ice cream. And then, may coriander. Kakaiba, no? Pero ang sarap niya. And yan, very classic. Sa kung saan ka pumunta sa Taiwan, sobrang dami talagang pagkain. Sobrang daming street foods. Try nyo yan, yung sausage na yan. Sobrang sarap. Ayan, dyan na yung nagpapalipad ng lanterns. Hindi na kami nagganyan kasi hindi nila trip. Pero yan, you can write your wishes, tapos papalipa rin nyo. And then, we're lucky enough kasi nakita namin dumaan yung train. As shared by our tour guide, ito daw train na to before ay ginagamit to transport coal. Ayan, luma na siya. And now, ginagamit naman daw siya to transport tourists. So, sobrang luma na niya and sobrang bagal na niya. Parang tourist attraction na lang talaga siya. So, after spending an hour or so, aalis na kami, going na to the next destination, which is Jufen. Jufen is a small town in the mountains. And it's popular for its alleyways, tea houses, and view ng coastline. And aside from that, sobrang dami ding food. So it's good for shopping and food trip. Ang dami ring free taste dyan. So mabubusog talaga kayo. And matatry nyo kung ano talagang gusto nyong bilhin. We just had our lunch there and konting shopping. And then next, we went to the Yelyu Geo Park. Nasa north coast na to ng Taiwan and it's famous for its rock formation. Pero nakita nyo kanina, diba yung picture? Through the years, numinipis na ng numinipis yung rock formations nila. Sobrang ganda nito kasi nasa coastline, sobrang lamig, kahit sobrang init na ng araw, and sobrang ganda ng view, para kang nasa ibang lugar. Kaya lang, hindi ito senior friendly kasi hindi na nakababa sila mama and nakalakad kasi sobrang haba ng lakarin from the entrance to the rock formations. After ng tour, hindi pa napagod, kaya gagala ulit. So, nandito kami sa meeting place kanina, yung Taipei Main Station. Dito rin yung drop-off ng tour. So, ngayon, iniisip na namin kung saan kami pupunta and naisip namin gusto namin mag-shopping for pasalubong and some food. So napagplanuhan namin pumunta sa Ximending Night Market. Night market siya pero halo-halo na dito. You have retail stores, restaurants, and may mga street foods. Perfecto pang shopping ng pasalubong. Ang bilis, it's our last day in Taiwan and one last gala, pumunta kami sa Chiang Kai-shek Memorial. It's one of the iconic places to go pag pumupunta sa Taiwan and honestly, akala ko nung una, ganyan lang, parang picture-picture ka lang with the temple pero meron palang nasa loob, merong mga museum and alam ko yung isa dyan is amphitheater for musical plays and concerts. Namin naabutan pero usually dyan daw may changing of cards na mapapanood. So inside the museum, makikita yung journey ng Taiwan from an authoritarian government to a free and open society. So during the martial law, nagkaroon din pala sila ng limitation with freedom of speech. In another room, meron namang exhibition kung saan may freedom wall. So it's like exercising your right to speak up. And ayan si Chiang Kai-shek. And before we head to the airport, kumain muna kami. Bumalik kami sa Ximending para kumain sa isang restaurant. And sobrang sarap dyan. So we had some dim sum, we have some noodles, and ang saya lang na natagpuan namin yung restaurant na to kasi we are eating good food with great view. This trip was definitely one of our most spontaneous trip, but we're able to pull it through. Naliligaw man, pero basta may load ang easy card, okay lang. What's important is we had fun bonding with each other, and we're able to relax and escape life a bit. Marami pang hindi napupuntahan, so isa lang ibig sabihin yan, babalik pa ako. So see you soon on the next vlog.